Hello and welcome to our channel.
How to add two videos in CapCut. So to do this, first of all open CapCut app. Now tap on new project. Add the video that you want to edit. Now we add the second video in overlay. Tap on add overlay. Select the second video. You have to fit second video to screen size. Tap on layer of second video and adjust it until you get double screen effect. Then export the video output by clicking on top icon. And your video will be saved in your gallery. It might take some time, and that's how you do it.
I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.